everyone, today I'm going to be going over my cleaning section in my planner, and I'm also giving away free printable with this video. This is the zone cleaning printable. I'll show you how to fill this out, and I'm going to be adding in some weekly cleaning printables into my planner. Behind this tab I have cleaning section in my planner. Just to review what I have in here, I have the breakdown of home maintenance tasks by season. I also have the Fly Ladies Beginner Steps Challenge and then Fly Ladies 11 Commandments. I have the home maintenance pages, which are broken down into the home maintenance tasks by the season. And right now we're in winter, so I'm pulling tasks from this list here. But if you look closely at this list, some of them say every month. In order to fill out this calendar, I'm just making sure that each of these tasks are going to be taken care of. So because there are some tasks that are every month, what I'm doing is adding those in to the bottom here for January. So it says wash trash bins, clean garbage disposal, and range hood filter. I just grouped those together. And then since they're both in the kitchen, and then check water softener and replenish salt when necessary. So these need to be done every month. And then we have tasks that just need to be done once during the winter. So I added those in at the top here. Deep clean fridge and freezer, organize hallway closet, clean out medicine cabinet, and toss expired meds. And now I can finish filling out February. So I'm just gonna pick random ones. We have restock, change out emergency food, water supply, vacuum fridge coils, and clean behind fridge. These are the tasks for February. Once again, I have the every month tasks, including wash trash bins, clean garbage disposal, and range hood filter, check water softener. And then I also chose restock emergency food, deep clean shelves, vacuum fridge coils, and clean behind fridge. So technically I could just, check them off here to keep track of them. I'm just going to check them off on the home maintenance calendar. And I haven't filled out the home maintenance calendar for the entire year because I want to make sure that the tasks that I'm picking are ones that are going to make sense for me based upon what my schedule is going to be for that month. I could fill out everything now, but I just want to make sure that I'm picking things out that are the most relevant for that month. You're probably wondering, how would I know to do one of these tasks from this home maintenance calendar? That's coming up later in this video. I had purchased these pages through Etsy, not realizing that there's actually a lot of duplicates in here. Also, I don't think that this was filled out according to the way that Marla had intended. So they had listed out for Saturday Family Fun Day, movie at home, a picnic in the backyard, family board game night. These are supposed to be ideas for what you can do on Saturday. So it doesn't really make sense to have a checklist since you wouldn't be doing those activities every single week. So what I decided is I wanted to make my own pages, but really quickly, let me just go through the rest of the pages that are currently in here before I change them out. The PDFs also came with this basic weekly plan, and there's this weekly checklist on here. I felt like this was a little redundant because a lot of these things are supposed to be taken care of during this weekly home blessing. So I felt like we don't necessarily have to have this separate checklist. And then we get into the zone cleaning. And while I like the layout of how you're checking it off one per month, I felt like there were a lot of parts to each zone that were not really relevant to my house. And also the zones themselves didn't really necessarily all make sense to my house, because what I want to do is divide up the zones so that a relatively even amount of cleaning is being done each weekend. So breaking up the week into comparable amounts of time. Because of that, I felt like I needed to change these zones. So While this was a great start for this section, what I ended up deciding to do was to create my own pages. I have this broken up once again, just like how it is for Fly Lady, into each day of the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So let me just kind of walk you through what each of the days are. I took a lot of her ideas from her weekly cleaning schedule. So I'm taking out the weekly plan because I don't need that anymore. Marla's morning routine is to get up, make the bed, get dressed, brush teeth, clean sink, brush commode, put on makeup or moisturizer, fix hair, empty dishwasher, make coffee, thaw dinner, set the table, feed the pets, do a load of laundry, check calendar, make calls, reconcile a checkbook, put away and hit hotspots, take medications and vitamins, eat breakfast, spend, I guess this is her quiet time, morning gift, and then check email. So for me, I already have a morning routine. In order for me to know what cleaning tasks that I need to work on for that day, I wrote down complete cleaning schedule tasks. So that's when I would flip to the weekly cleaning section for that day. So let's say it's a Monday. So I have what I'm calling dailies on each of these days. The dailies would be make the bed, spray the shower, swish and swipe, which is basically like cleaning, like a very quick cleaning of the bathroom. Tidy house hotspots. Hotspots are where clutter kind of naturally gathers in your house. And sweep the kitchen. And then also every other day empty the trash. This is Fly Lady's basic weekly plan. In her basic weekly plan, she does her weekly home blessing on Monday. So I decided to move that to Saturday, and I called that weekly home blessing day. It's basically an hour of cleaning your house. So it's change the bed sheets, empty all the trash for the house, dust the house, vacuum, and sweep the house. And she is saying when you vacuum, you're not vacuuming like under furniture. She means like in the main walkways. Swiffer, mop the kitchen and bath, and clean the mirrors. So that's supposed to be all done within an hour. So you're moving quickly and you're setting your timer. So I broke it up into like 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 25 minutes, based upon how long it usually would take to do. For Monday, she calls it her weekly home blessing. But what I decided to do is to have zone cleaning days on 4 days. She had said to do zone cleaning about 15 minutes a day, but I decided to kind of do 15 minutes on 3 of the weekdays and then do the remainder of that time on one of the weekend days. So I have zone cleaning day 1, zone cleaning day 2, zone cleaning day 3. And for zone cleaning day 1, I have all the dailies and then also zone cleaning for 15 minutes. For Tuesday, which matches up with her, what she calls her free day, it says water and fertilize plants. She said spends 15 minutes in the current zone. So I said zone cleaning for 15 minutes. Then Wednesday, I called zone cleaning day 3. Her plan said to clean out your refrigerator, so I added that in too underneath the dailies. And then Thursday is what she called her errand day. Because this is my cleaning schedule, it didn't really make sense to me to add in like errands. What she does is she goes grocery shopping and then she finishes all her errands that day. She said library, post office, buy gifts, cards, and candles. But for me, what I did was I have my dailies and then I also said clean out my purse. Then on Friday, that is her paperwork, bill paying, and miscellaneous day. She said she files papers, she mends clothes and polishes shoes, cleans out car and checks fluids, cleans laundry room. I liked the idea of cleaning out my car, getting it kind of reset on Fridays. So I added the dailies, and then I said clean out car, and then I also said wash car. She had said that she cleans the laundry room on Friday. I decided to add that to Sunday because Sundays are my laundry day, where I just get all the loads done for the week on that day. So Saturday I called Weekly Home Bless. I already talked about this. So it's the dailies, it's processing the inbox, and then it's the Weekly Home Blessing, which is that 1 hour of getting, dusting, vacuuming, sweeping, mopping, and cleaning the mirrors done. And even though like I have sweep the house here, I do have sweep kitchen every single day because that is a place that has a lot of traffic, and so then it needs to be swept more often. And then finally Sunday I called zone cleaning day 4, and that's because here I'm doing 1 hour of zone cleaning, and this is basically finishing up any zone cleaning tasks that I didn't get done Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then I also have complete at least one home maintenance task, and I said see calendar. So this is when I would flip to this page and then check what home maintenance tasks I have assigned and pick at least one of them. Ideally 2 if I have time that weekend. Otherwise it's any remaining tasks would have to get done during the last week of the month. So then we get into the zones, and I'm just gonna remove all of these pages because like I said, it wasn't really working for me, and I'm gonna be setting up all of the new zone pages. So these will go here. And on this page, it says week, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. So I'm going to, I think, highlight the week that zone is assigned to. And then I'm going to write the name of the zone down here. And then on this dot grid, I'll write out each of the tasks that I need to get done. And there are 12 boxes representing the 12 months because you clean each zone once per month. I have a bunch of these pages printed out, so I'm going to fill out all of these using her book. Yes, so her zones are all chapter 9. So I'm going to be using chapter 9 to fill out each of the zones, and I'm changing the zones because the way that she has it broken up doesn't really work with my house. Something to point out is that each month you have 5 zones to cover. So like if the first day of the month starts on a Wednesday, then you only have these 4 days to work on that zone. So you want to put your easier zones probably into zones 1 and zones 5 because you will most likely have fewer days to work on those zones. So I went ahead and I consolidated the list from her book for zone cleaning. Some of the things on her list were not really relevant, and I felt like she was also missing some things. For example, for a lot of the rooms, she has information about watering the plants. That's not relevant to me because I don't have plants in my entryway or my dining room. For the primary bedroom, she talks about pulling some books from bookcase. Well, I don't have a bookcase in my bedroom, so I didn't include that step. She said to take suitcases to the basement. I don't keep suitcases in my bedroom, and I also don't have a basement, so I took that out. And then for some of the zones, I added things in. So for example, for the family room, I added in cleaning the sliding glass doors because she doesn't have that step. I also added my hallway because I have a hallway with cabinets, and so but that's not even a zone in her book, so I said clean the switch plates and the walls, clean the glass cabinet doors, dust the baseboards, clean the light fixtures. I think that's kind of the point of her book, is that you need to modify it to make it fit for you. And as I mentioned before, I have the zone cleaning split up into 4 separate days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Sunday. And then during those days where it says zone cleaning, that's when I flip to the relevant week. If it's the first week, then I work on the entryway, the front porch, and the dining room. If it's the second week, that's the kitchen. The third week is the guest bathroom, powder room, and primary bathroom. The fourth week is the primary bedroom, the guest bedroom, and the family room. And the fifth week is the hallway, laundry room, office, and craft room. So I hope that this video gave you some ideas for setting up a cleaning section in your planner and for also managing any sort of home maintenance tasks that you may have. For more videos on cleaning and how that fits into using a planner, check out this video next, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!